Today I'm doing a 3-part unboxing. Good morning and welcome back to my workshop. It's been a while, but I have been doing quite a few of YouTube shorts. It's in 3 parts. I'll start with this one. It is an AtomStack A20 Pro laser rotating roller. It's made from aluminium. It's a rotary roller for the engraver with a 360-degree rotation. Okay, so we'll leave that one to last. Okay, the other part is the AtomStack F2 upgraded honeycomb board with fixing clips, scale laser engraver plate. That's now the plate bed, and it's used for CO2 or diode lasers, and it is a 400 by 400. Okay, I'm going to start off with the main box. And this is the AtomStack Laser Engraver, Cutter Engraver. It's the A20 Pro 150 watt laser. Okay, so without further ado, let me get started. I actually can't wait to see what's inside. Very excited. This is delivered by DPD, and I've been waiting the whole long weekend. So it's finally arrived. Let's see what's in the box. This is a nice sturdy box. And this is a cutting mat, and this is just to protect whatever surface you're working on, whether it's your working bench or in the dining room in the lounge. Anyway, what I'm going to do, let's have a look. So nicely packed. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fast forward. I'm going to unpack all of that, set it out nicely on the workbench, and then give you a quick peep, and then after that I'm going to assemble the cutter. Okay, without further ado, let me fast forward and unpack. And there it is. That's all the parts. As I go and learn the laser, I'll also learn all the parts and how to use it, and the software, the controller, phone app. Anyway, so what I'm going to do now, what's this? Oh, this is the app user manual, and then this is the Air Assist user manual. It looks pretty basic. Anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to clear the table and start assembling. They've actually made it very easy. There's step 1, 2, 3 and so on. And there's a step-by-step illustration and description on how to assemble the laser. Okay, so I'm starting to get excited now. I want to cut, I want to laser cut. Anyway, I'm going to go and fast forward, assemble, and then when it's assembled, I'll be back with you guys. This is the software and the SD card, or the TF card, some people call it the TF card. I take it all the software is on there. I'm also going to, in the meantime, do a backup of that. Anyway, let me get started. No more talking, no more boring stuff. Let me assemble. And there you go, it's assembled. Actually, it wasn't that difficult. It took me about a half an hour, and then another half an hour to try and find a cable because they didn't send a European plug. So my assembly went an hour. I ended up robbing the kettle's plug, so I'll have to go and buy one somewhere. So before I test the laser cutter engraver, I want to unbox just the other two items. I'm actually going to need the honeycomb bed anyway, so let me do those two and then we do the testing. Okay, let me move this back. Give myself some space. This is the AtomStack R3 Pro Laser Rotisserie or rotation roller. Okay, let me do this, and then quicker I can get to the honeycomb bed, the better. And then I can start testing. Okay, that's the unboxing done. So I'm going to set everything up for my first cut. On the TF card there are two files. One is, I think, a dog, and the other one, I think, a butterfly. So one is engraving and one is cutting. So, okay, let me set up and get that ready. Okay, now I'm ready to cut. Power's on. The air assist is working. Okay, let's switch it on. Oh, let's have a look. Okay. Well, last time. Okay, I suppose I must put my laser safety glasses on. Let's put the air assist on. And let's press play. One pass, yes. I guess that's what the brush is for. Oh. Excellent. Let's do one more. Look at that. And then look at the separation. Look at the clean cut. That is, I think, 2mm plywood. Don't know if this is focused. Let's go back. Look at the cut. Oh, this is impressive. Okay, that's the one. The second one I did, and then the first one was just in an engraving, a test sample. Bit of dust on it, but you can clean that off. It's quite deep, the engraving. Anyway, now the work starts. I have to do research and learn this machine. So I've done my first 2 cuts. Okay, everything is switched off. I can remove my glasses. Feels like I'm on the beach. Very effective, very happy with that. I must say, I enjoyed the unboxing. I'm so glad it arrived. Like I'm repeating myself, like I've just said, it's going to take a bit of learning, research, file designing, software. I'm going to connect this to my computer. So yes, exciting times. And then stick around for more little do's and don'ts. Projects, can't wait. Can't wait to do test cutting on acrylic, thicker wood, thicker ply, and so on and so on. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, ping, for more videos like this. And then very, very important, subscribe. You people subscribing helps me grow my YouTube channel. And then if you have any questions, anything about the purchase, setting up, first cut, and so on and so on, please let me have it in the comment section below. Anyway, I'm going to go and have some coffee now. It's been a long day. This one here made me tired. Anyway, okay, let me stop for now, go make some coffee, and then work on my next design. Enjoy your workshops and your laser cutting, and until the next time, laka laka.